myself Mehmet Pasha, and today in this session we will continue with the chapter that is light. Students, in this session we will discuss about the lenses. Okay, so before going to lenses, I'll tell you something that is about opaque and transparent objects. Students, opaque objects are those which does not allows the light to pass through them. Okay, so opaque objects are those which does not allow the light to pass through them. Suppose wood, okay, wood, plastic and cloth. Okay, there are many examples. And transparent objects are those which allows the light to pass through them. For example, fiber, glasses. Okay, so the best example for transparent object is what? Glasses. And even water. Okay, so water is also a transparent object. Students, now we shall discuss about the lenses. Okay, so unlike mirrors, so there are two types of lenses also. One is what? Concave, and the other is what? Convex lens. So here we will discuss first about convex lens. Students, so in case of convex lens, okay, so what is a convex lens? So look at here. Convex lens is thicker at the middle and it is thin at the edges. Okay, the lens which is thicker at the middle and thin at the edges is called as what? Convex lens. And the images formed by the convex mirrors may be virtual or it may be real. Students, in case of image, okay, so in case of real or virtual image in lens, so real images means the image which is formed by the actual meeting of lines. Okay, the image which is formed by the actual meeting of lines is called as what? A real image. So here for your class it is not there. You will learn the image formation by the lenses in higher classes. Okay, the image formed by the convex lens may be real or it may be virtual. And now look at here. So convex lens is also called as what? It is a converging lens. Why? Because so whenever the light rays are incident at one of the surface of a convex lens, at the other surface, at the other part, the rays are converged. Okay, so the rays are converged at a point. So because of this reason, so convex lens is called as what? Converging lens. Students, there are many uses of convex lens. Okay, so it is used in magnifying glasses. Okay, so convex lens are used in magnifying glasses, eyeglasses, microscope and in cameras. Okay, students, now we shall discuss about the concave lens. Okay, so what does a concave lens mean? So look at here, students. So the concave lens is thicker at the edges and it is thin at the middle. Okay, so the concave lens is always thin at the middle and thicker at the lenses. That is, a lens which is thin at the middle and thicker at the edges is called as what? Concave lens. And the images formed by the concave lens is always a virtual. That is, concave lens forms always virtual images. Okay, and the next one, look at here. So concave lens is called as what? Diverging lens. Concave lens is called as diverging lens. That is, so whenever the light rays are incident at one of the part of the lens, okay, so whenever the light rays are incident at one of the part of the lens, so here the light rays appears to be diverged from a point. Okay, so the light rays will appears to be diverged from a point. So because of this, the concave lens is known as what? Diverging lens. So there are wide range of uses of concave lens. Okay, so the concave lens are uses in telescopes. Okay, the concave lenses are used in telescopes, binoculars, peeholes, flashlights, lasers and eyeglasses. There are many wide range of uses of concave lens. Students, now let us discuss about rainbow. So what is meant by rainbow? In a simple way, we can say a rainbow is an arc of colors. Okay, an arc of colors in the sky is known as what? Rainbow. Students, so when the rainbow occurs, okay, so whenever the rainfall has occurs and it is stopped and in the presence of sunlight, at that time the rainbow occurs. So the rainbow occurs always opposite in the direction of the sun. Okay, rainbow consists of many colors, that is red, orange, yellow, green, violet, blue and indigo. Okay, so you might have observed, so whenever the soap bubbles are blown out, you can see many colors, and whenever the light strikes the CD, at that time you can see many colors. So how this rainbow is made? Students, this rainbow is made from sunlight only. Okay, so this rainbow is formed from the sunlight only. The sunlight, it is white. Okay, so sunlight is what? Actually it is white, but this white light is made up of 7 different colors. Okay, so this white light is made up of 7 different colors, that is nothing but red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, so the rainbow is made up of, that is the white light is made up of 7 colors. Students, we can conduct an activity to show that the white light is made up of 7 colors. Okay, students, take a prism, okay, and allow the sunlight to fall on the prism, and keep a white sheet or a cardboard placed with the white paper at the other end. Now allow the sunlight to fall on the prism, and after refraction you will be able to see the 7 different colors on the white screen. So this is how we will come to know that the sunlight is made up of 7 different colors. Students, so just now we saw that, okay, so just now we came to know that the white light is made up of 7 colors. But if we mix this 7 colors, okay, so if we mix this 7 colors, again can we get white light? Okay, yes, of course it is. So to prove this, we will conduct one more activity. So take a disc and divide that into 7 segments. Okay, so make a disc with the cardboard. So place a white sheet of paper and make 7 segments in that cardboard disc. Okay, in that 7 segment, so here fill the 7 segments with these colors, that is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Fill the 7 segments with these colors and rotate the disc with the help of pencil or pen. Okay, so rotate the disc with the help of pencil or pen. So when you do so, okay, so you will be observed that the disc will become whitish. The disc will become whitish. This is how we can prove that if we mix the 7 colors, we can make the white light. Okay, so from this what we come to know? So we will come to know that the sunlight, that is the white light, is made up of 7 different colors.